Hello everyone, welcome to Algebra 1 CST release question number 63. It says Tony is solving this equation by completing the square. We've got ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a greater than or equal to 0, where a is greater than or equal to 0. That just means that x squared actually has a number in front of it. It doesn't fall out because that a was 0 or a negative number. So we're dealing with positive numbers for the coefficient for the a. And step 1, we've got ax squared plus bx equals negative c. Step 2, we have x squared plus b over a times x would equal negative c over a. It looks like they divided everything by a to get to that step. The a's would cancel, you'd be left with what you see here. So step 3, if we're completing the square, what are we doing? If we're completing the square, that's always that b over 2a squared part. So I've got b over a times x. I just wrote that in parentheses because I can. I didn't have to write it like that. But then what gets filled in here? It's always that b over 2a squared part. In this case, the b value is b over a. And your a value is just 1. There's no number here anymore. And so b over a times 2 is going to be the same thing as b over 2a, like you're used to seeing with completing the square. So I'm just going to write it like that, as b over 2a. And we're taking that and squaring it. That gets added to both sides of the equation. And so over here we had negative c over a originally. By completing the square, we're adding b over 2a squared to both sides. And what should be step 3 in the solution? Well, it's this right here. What you see right here should be the answer. And again, I could have left this off. I didn't have to put a parentheses here and here. So why don't I just get rid of that so it looks just like what you see down here for what choice is that going to be? Not this one, not that one, not that one. Definitely choice D. Number 63, choice D.